Why do you think so many relationships actually fail?
Because people are selfish. That's
Me,
the
me, me,
biggest
me,
reason.
me, right?
Yeah, if
They don't
I'm
wanna
not getting
give.
what I want,
Then,
and you're not giving it to me, I'm gonna leave, or
right,
I'm gonna do something
disposable.
to make you feel bad until you
Yeah,
give me what I want.
right. Disposable society they
Yeah.
talk about.
Yeah.
So you work with, because you're involved in relationships as well. How do you work with folks who are struggling in their relationships? What are some of the things you do to work with those clients?
I help them understand, what is it that they want from the relationship? Why did they even get into the relationship for the first thing? What do you like about that person you're with? What do you not like about that person? Is that something you can change? And can you live with the things that
Right.
you can't change?
Is it one-on-one, or are you dealing with couples, or is it all of the above?
All of that. So I do work with individuals, mostly through coaching, but I do work with couples for therapy. And I do use EFT to practice with them.
Emotional freedom
Emotion-focused
technique?
therapy.
Yeah. Oh, yes.
Yeah.
That's really, really good, huh?
Yeah, it's powerful. I'll share just a quick thing with that. There was a couple, I think it was their second session. So after their intake session, where I was just getting their story and what do they want to work on. And I started out with the husband and helped him process, what was he feeling. And by the end of that session, he was in tears. And that's not common to see a man bawling in my office, but knowing that EFT worked.
Yeah.
And they bought into that process. And so that's something that we're working through right now.
Tell our viewers what that actually is, how that works, and how
EFT?
you use it. Yeah.
Yeah, well, emotion-focused therapy, it's a process where, especially with couples, where you really focus on one partner and the other partner is encouraged to just listen and pay attention to the body language and the body cues. So one partner might share what they're feeling. So maybe their partner said something that hurt them, and that helped them understand, well, how did you respond to that? What were you feeling when that happened? What are you feeling right now, as we're talking about that, and
Right.
tapping into that emotion specifically. And as that's happening, that process allows the partner to see this is how they really feel. So I might have seen an explosion of anger, but they really are just afraid that I'm going to leave them, or they're nervous about something that they've done that's going to trigger me to do something. It's a beautiful process because both people are really engaged, even though one is just listening, but they both get healing from that same time.